Welcome to the weekly Shiur of Zera Shimshon. It's Thursday, Parshas Vayishlach. Yud Dadad L'Chodesh Kislev Tov Shian Pei Vav. Let's learn a short idea here in the Zera Shimshon in Beis. We'll take out one point of this beautiful, magnificent piece. In this week's parasha, we learned that Esav was coming to fight against Yaakov Avinu with a number of 400 men. And the pasuk says, Yaakov responds, Vayira Yaakov ma'od, Vayeteloi vayachatz es ha'ama she'imoi, v'tzatzoim es ha'boka l'shtei machnois. He split es ha'ama she'itoi to two machnois. What's the significance of number 400 that Esav comes with? And Yaakov's response is to split the machne. Sagt der heilige Zera Shimshon Zechus Yagdalenu. This is on page Shir Memtes in the print that I have. Oid yesh tam lama ba Esav neged Yaakov im arba me'es ish. What's the number 400? Lefi. Esav sees that Yaakov takes the brachas. And he's furious about that fact. Why is he so mad? Because the brachas that Yaakov took were brachas of Olam Hazeh. The original plan was that Esav should have Olam Hazeh, Yaakov should have Olam Haba. And now Yaakov steals the brachas. He has Olam Hazeh too. Plus, Yosef obviously has Olam Haba. As Chazal tell us, so Esav now feels he's lost out from both worlds. This is not fair. He has been robbed. Not Olam Haba, and not Olam Hazeh. Says Esav, if that's the case, I'm going to fight Yaakov Avinu now to get myself a chelik at Olam Haba. Ella, shekashem sheYaakov yesh lechelik beOlam Hazeh machmas brachas. Because you intruded into my territory and you, Yaakov, took a chelik at Olam Hazeh, my response is going to be, I'm going to go into your territory and I'm going to get myself a chelik at Olam Haba. After all, says Esav, I'm the son of Yitzchak. Yitzchak has a chelik in Olam Haba. Abba mezake bra. I am going to get that chelik by hook or by crook. The Medrash says in the pasuk, Esav says to Yaakov, Nisav and Elcha. Let's go together. After the whole episode, he meant to say, B'doimelacha, B'shavalacha. Let's go together. Let's be equal. Yaakov Shivoy, no, Yavana doin elefant, they avdoi. What was this all about? Esav was saying, fair is fair, equal is equal. I want to be the same as you. I want to have a chelik at Olam Haba too. And Yaakov responds, I'm sorry, no such luck. You're not getting a chelik at Olam Haba. The Ikka Olam Haba, Zag the Zera Shimshon, the Ikka Olam Haba, him Arba Meos Almin de Kesufa. There's a concept brought in the deepest forum that talk about there's 400 worlds of Tainuk in Olam Haba. V'hem Kelulim betoich Hasha Elomois. By a Siyam, we always say the Mishnah, the last Mishnah in Shas, Asla Kadosh Baruch Hu Lahanchel Achal Tzadik V'Tzadik Shai Elomois. 310 worlds, but really in these 310, we have the number 400. And he doesn't say exactly how this works, but it means there's a number of 310, but you can split it into 400. Where's the remez of this number 400? The pasuk says in Parshas Vayishlach, Kach tzimtzenes achas, take one bottle, the sen shama, put inside there, says the Eibishter to Moshe Rabbeinu, Maloi ha'omer man v'hanach oisai. Omer is gematria, ayin mem reish is gematria 310. Man is gematria 90. Together it's 400. Hem arba mayas. V'heina maloi ha'omer man lifnei Hashem lemishmeres. Says the Eibishter to Moshe Rabbeinu, you know what you get lifnei Hashem? You know what a person can be zeicher to an Olam Haba? He gets Omer together with man. Omer together with man is this idea of 400 Olamas. And that's why in Shemhachi, Lokach Arba Meis Ish Imoy. Esav comes with 400 men to fight for the number 400, to get for himself a chelik in the 400 alamis. How does this number work? The Zohar tells us that this concept of 310 worlds, Yaakov noitel mehem reish zayin miyamina. Yaakov takes from this 310, he takes 207 from the tzad yamin, which is the chelik of chesed, which is Avraham Avinu, the kuf gimel mismoila, and there's another 103 that he takes from the left side, which means from Yitzchak, from Midas Hagvura. The kuf gimel gematria mincha. 103, that's the gematria of mincha. Yitzchak was misakein tfilas mincha, which means Yitzchak has a shaychas to this number 103 of Oilamos, which comes with this midah of Yitzchak and midas Hagvura. V'hareish zeyan, the 207 that come from the right side, which come from the side of Chesed, that's 103 from Avraham and 103 from Yaakov, and we have to add another one to make it 207. So this is how we split these 310 worlds. There's 103 from Avraham, 103 from Yitzchak, 103 Yaakov, and you have to add one. Listen to this. Devarim Nechmadim. When Yaakov heard that Esav's coming with 400 men to fight against his 310 elamos, miyad b'yachetzes amash itoy l'shnei machnois. Yaakov splits into two machnois. Machna is gematria 103, and he says, "Okay, let me make sure that he won't take everything away." Vayomer im yavoy eitzav ala machna ha'achas. If he'll take away from me 103, because he will say, I am the son of Yitzchak, and I'm entitled to that chelik. He'll say, I did kibbut av, and therefore I'm the mamshich of Yitzchak Avinu. V'hoya hamachne hanishal lefleita. At least let me hold on to the other machne, which that comes from Avraham Avinu, which that's no shaychus to Esav, that will be saved. Shemash evtiach l'Avraham evtiach alai v'lo el Esav. Yaakov says, that 103 goes to me. V'oid, and then he continues. Yaakov in his tefillas, v'ata marta, heitev eitev imach. What's a double lashon? Heitev eitev. Heitev b'schus Avraham. Eitev b'schus Yitzchak. Imach b'schuscha. Says Yaakov, please, Rabbeinu Shloim, I want to get all 310 olamas into my territory. Could you said, Heitev b'schus Avraham, is Kuf Gimel. Heitev b'schus Yitzchak, another Kuf Gimel. Imach, b'schus of Yaakov, which is Kuf Gimel times 3. Taini sheshli lahachsik b'chala shalosh pa'amim Kuf Gimel, shem b'gematria Kale, which is the gematria Kale, she'esa pa'amim Kale, gematria Shin Yud. And this was the war that was taking place. Esav wants to have a shaychus to Olam Haba, to the 400 Alma Diksufa, which they stem from this 310, and Yaakov doesn't want to give it to him. And at all costs, he said, I can't give everything away. If he comes with such a force to grab away something, at least he should only take away 110, and not more than that. But then he davened to the Eibishter that he should have all the 310, which are the 400 worlds, in the Tzad HaKedusha, and this parashas Mesugel, to bring all the Olam Hazeh and Olam Haba into the Tzad Yisrael, and this gives us the zchus and to be zoichet to all hashpos toivas, berachnius uvegashmius, lanu elechal Yisrael, amen, hatzlach harabah, zchusa yagen aleinu al kadi Yisrael, a good Shabbos.